So in this RBC mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a student credit card on the RBC mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on more, then scroll down to where it says products and then press on open an account. Once you're here, press on credit cards. Once you're on the credit cards page, I want you to use this top bar right here that kind of, I guess, categorizes different credit cards that could potentially be for you. In this case, you want a student credit card, so slide this bar at the top to where it says student right here, and then press on the student tab. Once you're here, you're going to be looking at a bunch of different credit cards that are offered in regards to students. So you have the RBC Ion Visa, you have the RBC Ion Plus Visa, you have the RBC Cashback MasterCard, the RBC Avion Visa Platinum Card, the MOI RBC Visa card, and the RBC or in the WestJet RBC Mastercard, and that is kind of it for students. So if you want to go through, for example, and sign up for this one, the RBC Ion Plus Visa card, for example, or this one, the RBC Ion Visa, and you want to view more details about the card, press on View Card right here. Once you're on this page, you can kind of check the fee, the annual fee, the perch, the interest rates, the card highlights, the rewards and benefits, etc. And if all looks good and you want to apply, press on apply now and then proceed with the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to sign up for a student credit card on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.